Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Canva Pro for brand kits and guidelines, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you do not have an account yet. Once you are logged in, locate the menu panel on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the pricing option. Click on the pricing option to view the different subscription plans available. Look for the Canva Pro plan and click on it to see the features. Review the benefits of Canva Pro, paying special attention to the brand kit feature. After reviewing, click on the Start Your Free Trial button to initiate the subscription process. You may be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your card details, ensuring that all information is accurate. After entering your payment information, click on the Start Free Trial button. You will receive a confirmation of your subscription shortly after. Now, return to the main Canva dashboard. Look for the Brand Kit option in the left sidebar. Click on Brand Kit to access the tools and settings for creating your brand guidelines. You can now upload your logo, set your brand colors, and choose your fonts. Explore the additional features available with your Canva Pro subscription. Your Canva Pro subscription is now active, and you are ready to create and manage your brand kit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.